What's up, YouTube? Ever Blessed Family TV is back at you again.
While the Akino, baby, the island on the shelf. Do not burn up yourself.
Yo. I am a foodie and I'm
Yes, we are all living blessing family. Like, subscribe, and share.
Hey guys, welcome to Ever Blessed Family TV. I am here with you one more time again, my people, and this time it's a very cold morning and I am at Tampa General Airport. Where is Ever Blessed going? Ever Blessed is going to Jamaica, and I'm gonna ask a few of my people to join with me as we go along. Today's vlog, my people, is gonna be from Tampa General. So the surroundings, and as we go along, my people, I'm gonna encourage you to join with me as I showcase beautiful scenery here. And I'm gonna be boarding that side to Miami. So destination now is from Tampa to Miami, and then from Miami to Jamaica. Land of wood and water, beautiful rivers, curry chicken and white flour dumpling or cornmeal dumpling, green banana. The beauty is there with me, and Ever Blessed is excited to be home. The journey from home wasn't possible. It was very dark. I left early in the morning. I left like 5:20 in the morning, and the time now is 6:50, and I'm preparing to board my American airline to Miami, and I'll be showing you as much as possible. So journey along with me as I go. So that area is a cafeteria area. Beautiful place. I'm gonna try my best, my people, to show you as much as possible. So outside it's still dark, you can see. So this one, it's a wait a plane to take off from this side, and I am waiting patiently at my time. 6:51, and I think my flight soon be ready for Miami, and I am awaiting to see what Miami has to offer. Yeah, some of the stuff I look a stroller. I have a bus. The time here is very cold. My hand them feel lotion. My hand them this morning, and my hand them look white. Look at me people, look at me hand them white. Time is very cold. Them kind of temperature, yeah. Ever Blessed not used to them. So I can't wait to be in my warm country, John. Alright, and as I vlog, I'll be showing you around, guys. Just stay tuned and watch what me go show. Guys, welcome back to this vlog. So I'm gonna show you a bit of the scenery as to how the American airline area set up my people. So I'm gonna show you. So American airline there going away. That one is leaving. Don't know what destination. I am just assuming that this one here. Can you see this one right here? I think that one is gonna be the one for me to Miami. And I'm gonna encouraging my people. It is still a cold morning, very cold, and I am dressed to the occasion. And I have, so I'm just strolling around, showing you the beauty. Just hoping that you enjoy. See them with a new line, guys. That one is going that way. And there's another one. There's a Delta airline right there. It's going away as well. I don't think I've ever seen two airlines pulling out at the same time, but it's always been a first. So that one is. Oh, that one is going that way, and the other one is going that way. So I'm gonna stroll down a bit. See the beauty of this airport. Just walking through. I'll be checking in that side shortly. Show you the beauty of this place, guys. So that when you're ready to travel, you have an idea as to what to expect. It's another American airline. I don't know which one. I think, oh, that's the one that I'm gonna be on for Miami. That's the one here. But that one, because we're gonna be checking in there. So if we're gonna check in right there, that means we're gonna go through this terminal here and into that American airline there. And I'm gonna be, my seat is gonna be a hen seat, so I don't know how much video, how much vlogging I can do there. But however, I'll show you my people as much as possible. I'll show you as much. Earlier when I was talking to someone, a beautiful girl. Her mother has a channel. As soon as give it a big up. So I wonder if we go over there. Okay. So I walk through, guys. And let's go back over there. If you remember where our mother channel name, one can give our mother a big up. Strolling around. How she disappear? Let's see where she turned. Oh, there she comes. This is my bag. I'm coming over there. Yes. So I'm checking in Charlie. Some more hairline there. Big up a Jamaica friend. Oh, you big up your mother channel for me. What your mother channel name again? You remember? You know something I make your mother kill her. Mommy, she don't remember your channel. Big up yourself.
Help something.
Big up yourself.
Every time.
Oh, you mean? Guys, she's my subscriber. I'm gonna give you a story about this female, guys. I went up that side to vlog, and while I was walking down, she keep looking at me. When I reached down to her, she said, "Wagwan." So when she said "Wagwan," I know it's a Jamaica thing. Big up yourself. And she subscribed to Ever Blessed right away on people. And I used to see her in the comment section. I used to see her mother. I big up Ever Blessed. But as soon as we reach our internet there, I go subscribe to her page. But there's a trickle beauty. Miss it. Oh wow, a plane was on the runway and I missed the takeoff. Oh wow, just a bit too late. It came down this way so fast. But anyway, hush. Ever Blessed is gonna show you a takeoff, my people. Stay tuned and watch what go on. I'll be watching out. And that's my guy to Miami. Stay tuned. journey with me in Miami. So guys, stay tuned and watch where we're going as we depart from Tampa. We're gonna be in a hour or so. He's saying welcome to Miami. So guys, so we are now on the runway and we're preparing for takeoff. So stay tuned and watch how that will go on. We'll be hitting up some speed. Shortly we'll be in the sky. Destination Miami. Stay tuned guys. So the sad part of this flight is that I am using a hand seat here. 1, 2, 3 on hand seat. And now the speed begins. Here we go. Speed is there. Oh guys. There is the sky.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring,
You know, in Miami guys,
you're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, you're loving me.
welcome to Miami. I'm walking through this area, searching for my next boarding gate, which would be B8. Searching for B8. It's beautiful guys. I was trying to find something, but I have to find my gate first. Welcome to Miami guys. It's been a long walk. Long walk. I'm so hungry, but I'm not intended to stop until I find my boarding here. Then I can stroll around. I think I have a 2-hour layover, so I'll be showing in the beauty. This is Miami Airport guys. I'm hustling too to find gate number 8. We're walking for a long while now. So now we are from 1 to 25. So I still have a long way to go. It's been a long walk. Long walk. I'm so hungry, but I'm not intended to stop until I find my boarding here. Then I can stroll around. I think I have a 2-hour layover, so I'll be showing in the beauty. This is Miami Airport guys. And I'm hustling too to find gate number 8. We're walking for a long while now. 21 to 25. So I still have a long way to go.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon.
Guys, I've seen a wheelchair, self-contained wheelchair earlier on. But now I'm realizing that these cars transport you from one point to the other, even that was new to everything. As soon as I find my boarding area, no, my boarding area is right there. D8. No, that's D6 to D8. I'm looking for D8. So as soon as I'll be going back to look for that wheelchair, this girl is coming to look for D8. This is D8. Right there. Welcome to Miami, guys. Welcome to Miami. And I'm preparing for a flight to Jamaica. Showing you the outside. The American airline is leaving there, guys. Getting ready to board. Yes. So they've been servicing these planes there. The American airline is leaving. To where? I have no idea. But our plane to Jamaica is now boarding. We are now at group 6 and I am group 8. Yes. Group 9 at least. So guys, the ring around continues in this airport. My boarding pass say D8. Now when I, just out of curiosity, I check and only to find out that I have to be at D36. No, D20. So I have to be making my way all the way back to D36. What a ring around. And if you travel, you have to always ask questions, because I could be standing there and miss my flight and you know, just like that. Yeah, so I am just encouraging my people that when you travel, always approach some of these decks and point out your situation. And as I walk, my guys, I am looking for a wheelchair that controlled by a phone that run through this airport and take you to your destination. So I'm searching for one. So as soon as I see it again, I'll be recording. So it has passed me more than one time and didn't realize what it was doing, but then because it was empty when I saw it, so I am going to be checking it out. So stay tuned and just hope that we see I run into it again. Heading to D36. I am now at D22, heading back that way.
Your attention, please. SkyTrain Station 1 is temporarily closed.
This airport is
For access to
big,
gate
really big.
D1 please exit at Station 2. Su atención, por favor. Despacio.
So guys, after being walking all over the place, finally I My boarding pass is right down there at Kingston.
Your attention,
Jesus,
please.
it's been a long walk.
SkyTrain Station
But
1 is
it's what it
temporarily
is.
closed. For access to gates
Stay tuned,
D1
guys,
through D25,
and look out for me,
please exit at Station
Jamaica.
2. Su atención.
In this little terminal, heading to be find my seat, which is maybe 3C. Gonna have a halter seat again, so I'm still gonna be able to record all of the scenery on the outside. So I'm gonna ask you to be patient with me. On board is this American airline, and today this vlog is gonna take me to Jamaica. We're gonna be having curry chicken and dumplings. I said that more, didn't I? But we can't stop saying that because our culture. And this is famous boarding up, ready to go. And just behind me, and the place is right here. Yeah, man. So I know some I go to Jamaica where the temperature is much warmer, so I could take off my coat this time. Tampa Florida cold, my people, trust me. And me I complain, I say cold, so I imagine the person walking from Canada and Philadelphia and all of them places. Wow. I don't grudge you guys. Glad to Florida, Florida is another state that is as warm as Jamaica. So guys, in this segment, I take the time out to big up Adriana. Adriana was in Tampa, and she traveled on the flight to here in Miami. Subscriber right away. I just see you could see a little chit chat between me, Adriana, and I inside of the Tampa airport. Appreciate you, my sister, and at the same time, may I big up your mother. And your mother is a YouTuber, and I'm gonna ask a few Adriana to hit me up in the comment section and remind me your mother name and remind her to subscribe to Everbless so that we can keep the link rolling, because that's what Everbless is all about. And this is what it is. On today's flight, we have a Jamaican who I go home after all for years. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, man.
You know that.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. So yeah, go home, go eat some chicken, you know. As we come off I play, I want to taste the patty now.
Mine's cooked already. Probably put down.
Oh, yeah. I think at this time my food, my one's supposed to almost a second long, you know, because my manager's supposed to be on the way to the airport now.
Oh, okay.
Or a finished cook.
Okay.
I like to have a few food with people, so I want to know mine. Like, share, and subscribe to Food Is It. Yeah, man. It's good to know that my destination today would be Jamaica, where the paradise is, where a lot of people don't realize the paradise that we have. And a lot of people are mashed up with beautiful little country. I want to stop no man. Done with the crime and the violence and the hate and the bad mind. No man. Because we know so that time number one thing where I create the problem in Nigeria.
Yeah.
A lot of people have the things out of envy.
It's a beautiful country.
Man, tell us something. Each time I travel, I learn. And the opportunities that we have, the freedom that we have in Jamaica, you don't do abroad.
Nobody else has it.
Because you have to have permit to do almost everything.
That's right.
In Jamaica, you can take up on chains and cut down any tree you feel like.
Yeah.
You can cut down a tree on the block road and police don't have with me to you don't care.
We light a fire, hook fire.
I tell you, we are we are blessed and we don't know that. We need to take care of our country. The baby there is going to Jamaica.
Cute little.
Yes. It's a very busy body. Some them band with them busy body. Yeah. I have a little grandbaby going home too. She just yeah. Big up yourself, Safria. Mia. Big up yourself, Eva Bless is coming home. Can't wait to see you guys. So I think so we are boarding, guys, and we are waiting and waiting. I want the one on a delay like the last time. And when we boarded for the American airline in Tampa, they go out on the runway and then bring it back on base and repair the plane with the there. Come on. Only hope then that not happen this time.
I know that all down Jamaica.
Oh boy.
We from the gate, go out there, stop, go straight back. So they didn't have a permit to land here.
Oh yeah.
So after they call, when we get back in, they call them and said they're screwed.
Okay. I wonder we're gonna have no more delay this time. Because we have a long delay in Tampa. Yes. So just hoping that we have.
I just want.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes. I hit the ground to make it out. Yeah, man. And we say welcome to land without water, you know. Paradise. So I'm gonna encourage you, my people, if you are watching this vlog and you are one of them where I make trouble, I create problem. This is I'm doing that, man, and take a trip to one foreign country and see the rules there what they have there and see say we have the freedom that we have in our country. We need to cherish it, huh? Never bless me. Oh, we can't say it enough. So I'm just hoping that we have a good flight today. Stay tuned and watch how we're going to take on the sky. So guys, anytime now, we'll be saying goodbye to Miami and welcome to Jamaica. And this airline, guys, is the second, the third. This is the fourth. One, two, three. This is the fourth time on American airline. And it's gonna be the 12th time in the skies. Wow. So really enjoying my flight so far, guys. And I'm gonna be showing you bits and pieces. I'm still sitting at the hen seat, so I'm not privileged to show you the fullness of the outside. So guys, stay tuned. I will try our best and show you the takeoff as this plane now line up for the runway. So we're heading for the runway, guys. So prepare and look out for the takeoff here. So guys, I'm gonna be stretching my camera across to show you the takeoff. So just bear with me as we go. Flight to Jamaica. Give this video a like, please. We would appreciate it. Jamaica, uncle, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Masaya with a passport. Big up yourself, man. I watch all your journey, guys. To Ethiopia. I see you guys enjoying yourself there. Yeah, man. I'm now on my way back to Jamaica. Only Mawela. Looking forward to seeing you in Jamaica, bro. As you promise that you'll be traveling to Jamaica. Just hoping that you'll be linking up with Everbless. Yeah, man. Pick up yourself, Color Cement. J-Bud and the team. Pick up yourself. Color Cement and the team. J-Bud and the team. Oliver Lifestyle. I'm going back home. Pick up yourself, self-care. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Lungi and Carol. Pick up yourself, sister. Yeah, man. Yes. For the 14th time in the sky. And for the 4th time using an American airline. That is it. That is it. One God, one God. Yeah, man. See how God Father got good and great? This big airline. And he give man, he inspired man to put it in the sky with so much people. So a lot of people on board. And we are destined to Jamaica. And my Jamaican friend say he couldn't, him no bother them off him sell him sandwich in the airport and the buy. So he tour with the hungry and tourists will try. And as I reach Jamaica, I expect to eat curry chicken and dumpling, but me have to go bite in a one party before we reach home. So stay tuned guys for the landing in Jamaica and the biting of a tasty patty or a juicy patty. Anyone I talk to them, patty I go bite. Like, share and subscribe. Pick up yourself, Michi. Appreciate your company. Appreciate your company. Big up yourself. Yes.
Chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further.
How me know say Jamaica na go clap? How you mean? I know. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. We're on the ground. We're on the ground. That means I'm grateful to be here. That is it. Grateful.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in.
We're in this Airbus, guys. American airline. Smooth flying. Yes. Hi. Did you guys fly the plane? It was smooth. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bless it. Yeah, bless. Welcome home.
Bless family. Pick up yourself. Alright. See guys. Journey now. Bright sunshine. Too hot. No, too hot. Yeah. I come out of the cold, you'll be grateful. No, I'm not. Yo, God. See? General, I watch you. Yeah. Big up yourself. My people. I'm in Jamaica. Big up yourself, G. No taxi today. Alright. In Jamaica, guys. Let's walk out. Walk into a beautiful country, Jamaica. Brenda, where is my manager right now?
Any taxi place?
No, ma'am. No taxi. Okay, let's go with a seat. My family outside here. Nice. So things are going. Yeah. Pick up a second, G. Oh, guys, this bag is heavy. That's why 2 bags. And I am here in my warm country, Jamaica. Turn it up for me. Alright. Hey guys. See? How are we doing? A tasty? Oh, tasty patty that you hear me talk about? See it now? Welcome home. Jamaica tasty patty. Nothing like a good tasty patty. So is my grandbaby patty.
Cocoa bread.
I'm not even talking.
Hey. Hey. My patty? Patty is good. Very good.